Welcome students. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about sphere. Look at these objects. What are the shape of these objects? Is it a circle or a sphere? Yes, sphere. Circle has a two-dimensional shape that has area and perimeter, but sphere, a three-dimensional object that has surface and volume. The queen of science is mathematics. The numbers are the queen of mathematics. In shapes, the circle is the queen. Why is the circle important? Everything in the universe, such as the earth, the sun, the moon, the fruits, the pots, the flowers, the utensils, the machines, is oriented in a circle or spherical shape. Why are all the shapes of the world facing the circle on the three-dimensional spherical shape of the circle? This can be detected by a simple test. Take the shapes triangle, square, rectangle and circle of equal circumference. But will the area of this be equal? Will not fit. The area of the circle is larger than other shapes. So the queen of the universe is ruled by a circle. That is, the circular shape occupies less space and creates more area. It is possible to give more capacity in 3 dimensions. Let us see the formation of sphere. A sphere is a solid generated by the revolution of a semicircle about its diameter as axis. Simply we can say a sphere is a solid that is absolutely round in shape, defined as the set of points that is equal distance from a common point. That common point is called the center of the sphere and the equidistance is called the radius of the sphere. A sphere has the lowest possible surface area required to bound any given volume. So it is the most energy efficient configuration. A sphere is a geometrical figure that occupies the biggest space but has the smallest surface area. Circle is a two-dimensional shape. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure. Many people think that a sphere and a circle one and the same, which is not correct. Every plane section of a sphere is a circle. See here. Every plane section of a sphere is a circle. Then the line of section of a sphere by a plane passing through the center of the sphere is called a great circle. If a plane passing through the center of the sphere, then that section is called a great circle. All other plane sections are called small circles. All cross sections of a sphere are circles. All circles are similar to one another. Surface area of a sphere. According to the Archimedes, we place a sphere inside a right circular cylinder of equal diameter and height. See here, place a sphere inside a circular cylinder. Height of the cylinder and diameter of the sphere are equal. So, outer area of the sphere equal to curved surface area of the cylinder. We know curved surface area equal to 2 pi RH. H is the height of the cylinder, but here height is equal to diameter of the sphere. We know diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 2s are 4, 4 pi r square. So, surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square units. When something needs to be as small as possible but still have a large volume, it takes the shape of a sphere. In other words, we can say it is a geometrical figure that occupies the biggest space but has the smallest surface area. Exercise 7.1, 8 sum. The radius of a sphere increases by 25%. Find the percentage increase in its surface area. See, the radius is not given. Let us take the radius as r. Radius of the sphere equal to r. So surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. The radius increases by 25%. So increased radius equal to r plus the percentage is 25. We write it in fraction 25 by 100 r. Add these two numbers, we get 5 by 4 r. After simplification, we get 5 by 4 r. Now surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. For new sphere, the radius is 5 by 4 r. Substitute 5 by 4 r. After simplification, we get 25 pi by 4 r square. This is the surface area of the new sphere. We have to find the increased surface area. So we have to find the difference between 25 pi by 4 r square and 4 pi r square. After the radius increases, increased surface area equal to difference between these two. Find the difference. 4 4s are 16. So 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9 pi r square by 4. We have to find the percentage. So the percentage increased in its surface area equal to, what's the difference in area? 9 pi r square by 4 by total area is 4 pi r square. We have to find percentage. So multiply the fraction into 100. Here the pi r square are common. These two get cancelled. Then simplify this 104, that is 25. Multiply this 9 into 25, 225 by 4 percentage. After dividing 225 by 4, we get 56.25 percentage. So the percentage increased in surface area equal to 56.25 percentage. Hope you understand the concepts very well. Practice example 7.8 and 7.9. The two sums are very important 2-mark sums. Practice very well. Thank you.